I have here a really pretty flower building set. I'm going to take it out of the box and I'm going to put it together. So inside the box, I've got all of the pieces to put it together. Got little instructions so I can put them all together. All the bags have numbers on them, so as you follow the book, it will tell you what bag to open. So inside the book here, it shows you which bags you're going to need to put these two flowers together, and you can see the instructions are really handy. They're very detailed, so you know exactly what to do. So I got all the pieces out, and I'm just slowly assembling it by following the instructions. I got two of the flowers finished. They're really pretty, really easy to assemble with these amazing instructions with the step-by-step. I love that they're individually packed, so I can just do a couple at a time and I don't have to do it all at the same time so I don't lose pieces. So I can just go on to the next bag if I'd like, or I can take a little break and come back to it when I'm ready. I got the rest of these flowers all built. They're really, really pretty. You can put them in any vase that fits all the flowers. You can even split them up and put them in multiple vases. So just depending on what you want to do. They're really pretty. It was really fun to put together, really relaxing, and the instructions were amazing to follow. So they're going to be really fun for anybody that wants to build some really fun flowers.